Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back in another video. Today I saw a bird. Oh my god. It's like on top of the frick. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. I didn't mean that. Okay. I saw a bird. It's outside, and right now it's on top of the dumbbell because of the weight, and it's outside. How did it get here? Here. I'm gonna post this right now. Can you see it? It's going on top of the thing. Oh my god, it's gonna fly, and then it's gonna take off. And then the bats. Oh yeah. Take that, bird. Fly into summer and go away. Haha. So, he escaped. So, I saw the bird, but I don't know why. Why is the bird in there? It got on the dumbbell. On the weights and outside. But it's also inside. But it's not. I'm just kidding. Bleh. Kidding.